These strange vertical forms were never created for beauty. Across different cultures, women keep them for one hidden, almost primal reason. They may appear as statues, silent amulets, or ancient artifacts. This is not a joke and not a coincidence. It is a psychological and energetic way of working with your space, for it has long been known what you surround yourself with determines what is allowed to enter your life. And if there is still no reliable man beside you, this practice is for you. We will create the right space, and what you desire will find its way to you. Do not be surprised by the presence of clay. It is our tool and an anchor for attention. This is not just visualization. We will create a material form, a symbol that, since ancient times, has represented support and masculine presence. Simply watch my hands and notice how your state gradually begins to change. The first step toward change is centering. When your attention is scattered, you lose your support. You seem to exist, but not at the center of your own life. Now it is important to stop. Feel where you are. Feel your body. Tell yourself quietly, I return to the center. I am gathered. I am here. The center is your true desires, not those imposed by parents or social media. Become aware of these true desires. Become aware that your life is soft and responsive, like this clay. It is capable of taking shape, and only you give it this shape. You are the architect of your relationships. All attention goes into the center. Stay centered. Do not scatter yourself on unnecessary people and partners. Next, we form the foundation of future partnership. Tell yourself, I no longer chase closeness. I create a space where it can enter easily and naturally. The foundation is where stability can appear. Across cultures, vertical forms symbolized masculine presence, not as a body, but as qualities. It is about a man who is not just nearby, but who becomes your wall and your protection. My hands are shaping the symbol of this support. Allow it to be in your space. Allow yourself to feel supported. As the walls rise, notice how space for partnership begins to appear in your life. You are shaping a new reality in which a man is support and protection. And now, the stage before the final one. Masculine support transforms into something new. Not just presence, but union, shared partnership, love, care. From this form, a bowl is born, a bowl of partnership. If at this moment your psyche resists, it is a sign not to push. Perhaps your attention is still occupied by someone who is no longer beside you. Old bonds do not make space for new ones. Think about this. Close your eyes. Fill it with what you have dreamed of for so long, with what you have missed. This bowl is a symbol that now there is space in your life, not only for support, but for union. When space is prepared, life begins to move toward it. Today, your inner space has been created. Your mind has remembered this symbol of support and union, and you can begin to notice worthy partners around you. What did you feel during this ritual? Were there any blocks, inner resistance? Write to me about it. We will work with it together. See you in the workshop of presence.